Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And let's say you're trying to center this in between, left it vertically and horizontally between these two texts. If you're working in the center of the page, that could be easily done. But if you're drawing something that's in the top left corner and you got a bunch of other stuff, you can select these two items, hold down the Shift key, double click on your rectangle tool, grab your number, hold down the Shift key, grab your rectangle, and hit CE. That put it in directly in the center. Now we're going to do a little sample here, a little test, because we're going to see now what happens if we move this out of the way. Let me get rid of the rectangle for a minute, and we're going to change the case of these to lowercase. So go to text, change case, sentence case, okay. Now we're going to grab it, double click on the rectangle tool, grab our word, hold down the Shift key, grab the rectangle, and go CE. I don't know, we'd really have to put them on top of each other because these two rectangles, so I'm going to Control G and group this together, Control G and group this together, and then I should have nudged that over, but I just moved it. And you can see we're a little bit different with the numbers because of the lower case. The rectangle is taking in effect of that. So let's try another little test. Let's Control D and move it out of the way. You know what? I'm going to nudge it. Let's change our nudge to 12 inches. And let's nudge this out of the way. Control D. Now let's ungroup it. Take away our rectangle, but we're not going to need it in this one. So let's put this thing here. And we're going to grab both these and we're going to hit, well, it worked. I just didn't see it work. I'm going to grab all this. I'm going to hit C. That aligned it this way. Then you need to go to Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, and align it from the center of there. Now let's Control G and make a duplicate. Let's turn him yellow. And let's nudge it over. It is a minute hair difference, probably not noticeable, but so it really works with or without this. Align and distribute would probably be a little safer. I'm not going to say really one way or the other. I'm going to try to go from the top to that 222. 182 about. Let's see, I went from the top of here, 193 to 213. So it is a little bit different. It just all depends on how you look at things, because Align and Distribute is probably going this way too. And there's a lot of different ways you can use Align and Distribute. Let's ungroup this thing. Let's move this out of the way, but let's hit C to put them in the center. And you can use from the bottom. You could use from the tops. That one might be the safest. You can use from the distribute from the top, distribute from the center, distribute from the bottom, and then distribute, space them vertically. That one might be the key right there because it's going to space them from here to here the same. Anyway, just a couple ways to look at things. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.